Hi and welcome to the end of year's financial review. If you have been watching and believing CNBC, Bloomberg and the rest of the woke mainstream media, you're going to be shocked at the one-year losses. Please don't follow me, as you could easily become bankrupt. This is not financial advice, but financial education. They don't teach you this at school. Look at these losses from the 1st of January 2022 to the end of December 2022. If you need to pause the video, please do so. Jim Cramer pumping all these stocks and crypto over the last year. Some people that thought they were going to retire this year. This may mean they never retire. Work till you die. Please take this time of year to go and see an independent financial advisor. You pay for the service, but they save you money. This has been the worst indices performance since 2008. If you are in your 30s, you have time to recover. If you are in your late 50s, 60s or older, you will never make these numbers up.
What a great place to begin. Tesla. All right. We ended last week doubting Tesla's ability to make a lot of cars and make a lot of money on them after the recall. Then this weekend, we discovered that Tesla's made more than 300,000 cars in the fourth quarter and that it made a ton of money per car. It didn't take long for the rigorous doubters to pounce. One analyst with a sell on the stock had to take up his price target by a few points from $250 to $295. But wake that Rip Van Winkle up. Tesla trades at 1,200, up 143 points today. The oft-quoted Tony Sacconaghi from Bernstein chided that Tesla's being valued at $1 million per car. That kind of analysis drives me crazy.
S&P 500. Down near on 20% for 2022. Unfortunately, more downside to come. We are in a bear market. So, do not buy the dip unless you know what you are doing. I honestly believe next year's markets are in for more pain. It could take 10 years to recover to a new high. Do not believe these pumpers and dumpers.
Ever since Steve Jobs retired, the analysts and reporters have been taking turns minimizing Apple's incredible achievements. Quarter after quarter, they warned you that a shortfall is around this corner. But Tim Cook and company never really let it happen.
The Nasdaq ran 2022 out. 34% down. 2023 again, more pain to the downside. Strange how the mainstream media does not cover the extent of the devastation. Again, do not buy the dip. 2023, look at the job market downturn. Governments are spending money like there is no tomorrow. The long-term effect will be the people in their 40s may never retire.
We heard that Amazon and Netflix were so-called pandemic stocks, that Facebook would succumb to Washington testimony, that Alphabet would continue its underperforming ways, that Microsoft couldn't keep posting upside surprises. Instead, these companies reinvented themselves. Mark Zuckerberg is such a believer in the metaverse, he changed his company's name.
The US dollar versus Thai baht. Although we ended the year in a downward trend, I'm still very bullish US dollar. This is due to the world's debt, 70% of which is held in US dollars. If the Fed is not printing, there will be a shortage of US dollars in 2023. I see the Thai baht range from a low of 32 and high of 42. Never bet against America. Thailand has the highest personal debt in Southeast Asia. Debt is not good, and nor is greed.
Hey, hi. I'm SBF, founder and CEO of FTX. My accidental theft of our customers' life savings to create a giant overleveraged Ponzi slush fund for myself is a tragedy that should have never happened. And to all those affected, I want to say I am deeply sorry. I'm sorry.
The US dollar Dixie, against the other main currencies. The US dollar is looking good because the rest are looking over-leveraged with debt. Still 8% up on the year. Low of 100 and high of 116. Time to get out of GBP, Euro and Yen.
Yeah, I'm trying to think of a good example of a trade where I've lost a ton of money. Well, I don't know. I probably don't want to go into specifics too much with that.
Bitcoin, I'm sure, is a cult. 64% down in 1 year. Look at the slide, the crypto is on the right. There's a couple there that have gone to below zero in a year. Seriously, how can they call crypto the new gold? I would call this the new Ponzi scheme. The corruption goes all the way to the top. The dominoes have started to fall. Get your money out of Binance, Coinbase and Robinhood. Bitcoin will not see 50K in 5 years.
Absolutely could pull it off without my math degree. Use very little math. Use a lot of elementary school math, like arithmetic, probability, but not really any of the advanced stuff I learned in college.
Platinum has been the play of the year for 2023. Totally undervalued but 6 times rarer than gold. This is a fantastic swing trade for 2022 and 2023. If you want me to show you how I trade it, with entry and exit points, I will do so. I love gold and platinum. 2022, platinum is up over 10%. This is Ask Kev launching his ETF, only been on the market for 1 month, down over 25%. 2023 is going to be a tough market for the indices again. Crypto, the public have lost all faith in it. Many more cryptos and exchanges will go to the wall, as the corporations see their profit margins fall. The only control they have to save money is to cut payroll. I only trust bonds of 1, 2 and 5 years, but the returns are too poor for me. I see gold outperforming property, stocks, bonds and crypto in 2023. Anyway, I hope you found this interesting. Please seek professional regulated advice. There is a lot of scam artists out there. Please do not sign up for these get-rich-quick trading courses. It takes a long time to become a good trader. I manage my money but nobody else's.